So for the segmental rolling, for main, we're doing side flexion. So you're going to stand with a wide stance. This allows you to go a little bit further to the side. It's a minute each side. What you're working on is like you do over a Swiss ball, where you kind of tape your spine down to the ball. But we're doing it standing, so we don't need the equipment, and it works just as well. So you're starting in this position. What's going to happen is one segment at a time, you're going to tape that spine down to the side. And then roll the spine up. Tongue stays on the roof of the mouth. You're not twisting or rotating to make it a bit easier. You can have the hands here or even easier here. So do one side first for a minute, then a change, and that head's going to be the last to go down. I'm taping it down from the lumbar spine through the thoracic into the neck. So you want to aim for around, in a minute, around 6 reps a side, not too fast. Really trying to stretch and strengthen and really get control over each segment in your spine. Keep that tongue against the roof of the mouth so that way the neck is nice and stable when you're getting that head to go down last and when you're leading with it. And just work with a range that feels good, don't force it too much, and gradually build it up.